Everybody knows about data analysis, but few of them understand why data analysis is important. Not many people are aware of the specific reason. The science, artificial intelligence, and machine learning have been getting all the attention over the last decade. Why? Because in today's era, robots are doing multiple work, even it is in the field of corporate, even it is in the field of household work. So all these activities has been going to perform by the robots. So that's why it is creating more importance here. And but data analysis is a fundamental and extremely important skill that any professional can utilize, because once we are gonna improve our data analysis skills, then only we are going to reach to the highest level, which is data science, machine learning, artificial. But what exactly is data analysis? Yes, it's a broad term. It is a study of making sense of data so that one can derive valuable insight from the data. Understanding data is not easy. Many will claim they understand data. However, understanding data encompasses many skills and knowledge. For example, how was the data generated? Finding and understanding mistakes in data, why they might have occurred, statistically describing and understanding data distribution, how to manipulate and wrangle data, what processes to run on data and how to perform them, understanding the weakness of your analysis. The application of data is wide. Understanding how to process, manipulate, and generate insights from data is a key life skill in the 21st century, especially in the next couple decades. Data analysis can be applied in so many career fields, such as obvious ones such as business intelligence, marketing, finance, engineering, management, economics, and retail sales, to less obvious roles such as in healthcare, sports, criminology, terrorism, fraud, psychology, food and entertainment, education, governments, and management. So, finally, it's a turn to understand the role of data analyst. Are you excited, guys? Yes? So, let's move on. Okay, the role consists of some major factors. First one is the understand the data being treated. Next is build tools or processes to clean the data. Next is to build reports and visual displays of the data. Understand what the business or your objective needs and produce reports that reflects its status. Derive valuable insights that are not obvious. Be curious about anomalies and trends. Understand the underlying statistics of your data and know the weakness of your insights. So let's discuss history of data analysis. Given that every big endeavor humans have embarked on, be it building the pyramids, trade along the Silk Road, agriculture, ruling kingdoms, etc., some form of data collection, analysis, planning, and insight had to be used. Data analysis as such isn't a formal subject of study, but a mashing together of a number of mathematical and statistical theories that are applied to real-world application. Let's understand modern day analytics. Amazing new tools are making analytics even more accessible, but what tools do we need? Wrangling and manipulation tools include Excel, SQL, R, and Python, Pandas. Visualizing tools include Tableau, Power BI, and Google Data Studio. Statistical analysis and machine learning include Python, Pandas, sklearn, R, even Excel, and Tableau. Okay, let's discuss some real-world example. Has this ever happened to you? You're thinking about something, maybe it's a new printer you wanted, or a skiing trip you were planning, or perhaps thinking about starting a gym. Then bam, you see an online ad for the exact thing you wanted, right? Have you seen that? If yes, please do comment in the comment box.
I look at you and it's easy to see